Hi folks, today I'm presenting my new toy, Manikin Exo 0.3. Why 3? It's because before I printing, uh, yeah, so three version of this mannequin. Yeah, as you see, this smaller and bigger, and now it's that size. It's optimal size for my printing. Yes, of course, it's divided by some parts, but I glued these parts together, and now it's like this. It looks like this. Yes, and what's there is happen in the stomach. I don't open. Maybe at the end I open this stomach, and at this stomach I have a microprocessor. This is ESP32. It's working with Bluetooth and connecting through the Bluetooth to my headset. And yeah, this module is connecting to the Ollama server, and working with LLM AI module, and it's connecting to my local home computer. It's server on this computer. Yeah, and so what we have some sensors, as you see, in eyes, and we can start, of course, first connecting our this mannequin to our glasses. Yeah, it's this monitor. It is for this connection, and as you see, we have some values for tourniquet, stomach, eyes, blood volume, blood loss. It is not sensors, but it is working on my own physiology engine. It's starting with 5,000 milliliters, and blood loss for now it is 300 milliliters. And yeah, okay, what we can do? Yeah, first of all, we can do some easy things. It is, for example, we have the stethoscope, yeah, and it's maybe just listening. Yeah, maybe you hear or not, I don't know, maybe yeah, okay. And next one, it is this cardio monitor. If we put, yeah, as you see, this vital signs, it's working, it is live. So this heart rate is going up when we lose this blood volume. And yeah, what's next? Next, we can try some sensors. For example, these stomach sensors. And pressing.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. It's hand. It's yeah.
oh,
Yeah. If you see the stomach,
oh,
and of course, patient is reacting to the pain in
oh,
stomach. Um, Yeah, next one, it is this blood loss. As you see, there is some indicator. You can see this red blood, and I have this. I don't have any tourniquet at home, especially at this small size, and we can put this tourniquet, and just trying to it's making too hard. So it's not sending any data yet. Okay, and you see for now tourniquet 49%, and this blood loss is going down. Yeah, and if we scroll this tourniquet, yeah, it's almost 18%, maybe a little bit more, 95%, and you can see this blood loss almost stopped. Yeah, it is 15 milliliters. Yeah, it's almost okay. And I think heart rate not more going up. But yeah, and what we do next, it is eyes. Uh, yeah, I don't have flashlights. I just turn on my flashlight on phone. Yeah, and if you see this flashlight, oh, okay, it is going up when I show this flashlight. But it's not so interesting. I need to know what reaction on this eyes, and then I can make some command. I have gesture for open listening. Yeah, and open your eyes. Yeah, you see, eyes is open, and we can now check this eyes. Yeah, and yeah, as you see, this is definitely brain injury state. This patient have brain injury. Yeah, we can close your eyes. Its eyes is closing. Okay, I just okay. It's okay. So, and we we can see we have some commands. Yeah, for example, open eyes, close your eyes, and one more command we have working with this hand. This hand is very broken, and but I can try for example sorry. Raise your hand, please. No, raise your hand up, please. Okay, yes, you see this hand is rising up, and put your hand down. Yeah, it's working. It's working too badly because this servo motor is too small for this big hand. And what we have more, it is, as I said, it is connecting to the Ollama server, to my home computer, and we can try ask the patient some things. I just configure this patient to okay to configure some values. Yeah? For example, patient, what's your name? No, it's to patient, what's your name? Patient, what's your name? Okay. Patient, what's your name?
My name is James Castro.
Yeah, James Castro. Patient, how old are you? It's again, patient, how old are you? No, it's this listening don't understand my bad English. Patient, how old are you?
I'm 44 years old.
Patient, incident report.
The patient James Castro was involved in a building collapse due to an explosion. He is currently experiencing physical pain in his right leg and may also be experiencing dizziness or lightheadedness.
Patient, do you have any allergies? Patient, do you have any allergies?
Yes, am allergic to painkillers and analgesic medications.
Patient, how do you feel?
I am experiencing physical pain in my right leg and may also be experiencing dizziness or lightheadedness.
Yeah, as you see, patient can talk almost normal patient, and for example, I asking only these things what I define in setup, and I can ask, of course, something else, but it's not defined in the setup. For example, patient, do you have a wife?
I am a medical simulation agent and do not have personal relationships.
Okay. Patient, do you have children's?
I do not have children.
Okay. Patient, how do you do? Patient, how do you do?
I am a medical simulation agent and do not have personal feelings. However, based on the incident report, it is likely that I am experiencing physical pain in my right leg and may also be experiencing dizziness or lightheadedness due to the building collapse.
Yeah, as you see, it's working. Everything it's on place. If I remove this stopping, and yeah, just now I just maybe I can try show what I have in this stomach. Yeah, this is our brain, not in head but in stomach. Yeah, uh, including some battery. That's all. Almost all things. Yeah, it's have only some very few details. Um, just almost everything is working through this microprocessor. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Thank you for watching.